Meaning of historically.
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 Historically. The term historically pertains to events, customs, practices, or conditions that occurred in the past and have a significant impact on the present. It refers to anything that occurred before the present time, especially those that have shaped the current state of society, politics, culture, and so on. Understanding history is crucial for analyzing the present and predicting the future. By studying the past, we can identify patterns, learn from our mistakes, and make informed decisions. Ultimately, history helps us understand our place in the world and how we can create a better future.